Hey guys, so today I have the Ruko U11MINI. This is a beginner drone that Ruko sent to me for my honest opinion, so today I'm going to give that to you. Inside of the box, you'd get this nice carrying case with a foam enclosure that's very protective, and it has a zippered enclosure to it with a nice little handle on it. This fits everything inside. You have the remote, you have the drone itself. There's a battery pre-installed inside of the drone when you open it up, but they also give you an extra battery here. They've also included a bunch of replacement propellers, 2 separate USB-C charging cables, a bunch of different screws that are good for replacement. They even give you extra joysticks. There's extras down here too. They also give you these other cables if you have an iPhone or an older version phone to connect your phone to the remote. This is a very compact, beginner-friendly drone. It weighs under 250 grams, so you do not need a special license to operate it. Excellent for first-time drone flyers. All of the arms on here fold in nicely, and it's very compact once you fold it together. This way it can fit inside just like that. And then you have your remote. Just place it in there. And then the battery and all of these other accessories can fit nicely in there. Operation is very simple. All you got to do is pop one of these batteries in here, click, it'll boot up, and then you come over to the controller, turn that on, and these will pair together. You also need to install the Ruko U11 app. So just search for Ruko U11 and you'll find that app. Just download it and open it up, and it's very simple and straightforward to connect these to your phone so you can see the view of the camera while you're flying it through your phone. In fact, your phone goes into this little holder here and plugs into the controller directly. There is a cover on the camera itself, so pop that off before you fly and it will expose the actual camera. So here is the drone. I just set it down here on the ground. And then I have the app open with my phone attached on the remote. All you got to do is click that little icon up here and then unlock it to take off. Just slide that. And now all you do is hit take off. And there it goes. Right here I have a view of the camera. I can go up. There it goes. Very simple operation. This is up and down, and this just rotates it or pushes it forward or reverse. You have buttons up here to take pictures or videos, and then you can change the modes here, return to home. Very simple operation and super fun to play with. So both the still photo and the video is very good quality with nice colors and lighting. However, the main downfall is that there's no gimbal. So as you can see when I start flying, it's a bit wobbly. There's no stabilization to speak of. So when you stop flying or turn a direction, you're going to get a lot of shakiness. This is really just something to be aware of. So overall, this is definitely a good beginner drone. I would not recommend it for professionals or those who need it specifically for photography because of the lack of a gimbal. However, it is very easy to fly and very fun. It's got excellent battery life and it seems to be made really well.